How to refund a game pass in Roblox. Now, there's no guarantee that this is gonna work, but it's worth a try. So go to roblox.com/home, and here I want you to change /home to /support. We need to write a ticket, and I'm going to show you what you need to fill in. So username, it's filled in. Your first name is optional. Make sure you write an email address you have access to, so you receive the message back from support. And here, what device are you having the problem on? Select the device you use to play Roblox with. So for me, it's PC. Type of help category here, you want to select purchases using Robux. And from the other drop-down menu that pops up, you need to select in-experience item. So write something to them along the lines of, I accidentally purchased X. Here's where you write your Game Pass name. Game Pass for 80 Robux, for example, or however much it cost you. Is it possible for me to get a refund? And after you have filled in your email address here, they will respond to you saying whether it's possible or not. Just make sure you submit this ticket. And like I said, there's no guarantee that they will refund you the Robux, but for some people it works, for some it doesn't. So thank you for watching. If this worked for you, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.